model, 2019 Ford Transit Connect Trend 210 L2 1.5100 PSE COBLUE. Very tidy small van. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 66,109. Engine, 1,499 cc 1.5 TDCI 100 PSS6IA. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, van does not run as the engine is partially stripped. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.